Are you looking for an easy way to delete unwanted videos from your YouTube channel? In this video, you'll learn how to easily manage and delete videos from your YouTube channel. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap the library button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap where it says your videos. And now you can see all of the videos that you've uploaded to YouTube. So now what you want to do next is just scroll down or up to find a video that you want to delete. And then tap on these three little dots right next to the video that you want to delete. And then simply tap delete. And tap delete one more time to confirm your action. And there you go, that video is now deleted from the channel. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.